Stop buying the packets of ranch seasoning at the store and make your own at home. There are no preservatives in this recipe whatsoever, and you're going to make it with common pantry ingredients. We use this ranch seasoning on just about everything, and you can even make homemade ranch dressing with this recipe. To get started, all you're going to need is a dry buttermilk, which is just like a dehydrated buttermilk. So think like dry milk. This is dry buttermilk. You can get it in your baking department of your grocery store. You're also going to need dried parsley, dried chives, dried dill, some kosher salt, pepper, and onion powder and garlic powder. So this is the easiest part ever. We're just going to add the dry buttermilk to a bowl and your dried parsley, onion powder, your chives, the dill, fresh ground pepper, garlic powder, and salt, and just whisk all of that to combine. And that's it. That is your homemade ranch seasoning, and then you can use this to make a ranch dressing. Just add 1/3 of a cup of sour cream and a little bit of half and half or milk or heavy cream and whisk that together. And you have your salad dressing, your ranch salad dressing. You can store this dry ranch seasoning in your pantry for up to 3 months. Just make sure it's in an airtight container. And if you're making the salad dressing, that's gonna keep for about a week in your refrigerator. And that's it. You can use this to season popcorn or chicken breasts before you cook them. Season a whole roasted chicken, maybe some roasted tofu, make it ranch flavored. There's so many things that you can do with this. Your imagination is your only limitation. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.